A very warm greeting to all. Fake news analysis. This project focuses on analyzing news articles to determine if they are real or fake. I use machine learning techniques to build models that can classify news articles, and the main steps of the analysis include data preprocessing, feature extraction, training and evaluating different classifiers. Code explanation. Preprocessing text data. The code first preprocesses the text data to clean and prepare it for the analysis. The preprocessing step include removing punctuation from the text, tokenizing the text into individual words, removing stop word or can say commonly occurring words like the, is, and, etc. The preprocessed text data is stored back in the data frame. Second, visualizing word frequency. The code generates a word cloud visualization to display the most frequently occurring word in both real and fake news article. Word cloud helps visualize the importance of words in text data with larger fonts indicating higher word frequencies. After that, I have built two machine learning models, that is logistic regression and decision tree classifier. The code splits the pre-processed data into training and testing sets, and the machine learning model are used for classification. So linear regression is a linear model commonly used for binary classification task, and decision tree classifier is a non-linear model that partition the feature space to make prediction. Both models are trained on the training data and then evaluated on the testing data using accuracy score. After that, I have tried to evaluate the model performance. The code computes accuracy score for both models to evaluate their performance on the training and testing data. Accuracy is a matrix that measures the percentage of correct predictions. Additionally, for the decision tree classifier, a confusion matrix is generated to gain insights into the classification performance for each class in the test data. Conclusion: the code demonstrates a text classification approach for fake news analysis. It pre-processes the text data, visualize word frequencies, and build machine learning model to predict whether a news article is real or fake. The model's performance is evaluated using accuracy scores and insight into classification performance and gained using a confusion matrix. Thank you.